morning guys and welcome back to my channel. And it's officially September, which means the month of Durga Puja is officially here. So I am really excited for this month and the upcoming few months. I am so happy that Durga Puja is coming, because not just for the festival alone, which obviously I am always excited for, but for the fact that so many of my friends, cousins, everyone's like coming back to Kolkata for that little few days, and that's like the best time of our lives. And the only other time that this happens is during December month, that is like during Christmas. But then Christmas and Durga Puja is definitely not the same thing. Today is a Sunday. Today is actually 31st of August, but it's almost September. It's September tomorrow. And I'm going to upload this tomorrow only, or maybe the next day, so it will be like the first video of September. So and I also like the fact that autumn's finally here. I'm feeling all the autumn vibes, the sky with the blue sky with white clouds. Love the weather. I'm just praying and hoping that this rain thing stops in Kolkata. It has been a really bad monsoon season for me. I really don't like rain. I like, it's fine when I'm home, but even now, like, it has been raining so much since June. I'm so over that weather. I would rather take the hot weather over the rain that's happening right now. Today is a Sunday, so I'm taking a very chill, pretty slow Sunday. I'm planning on doing like a face mask and just do a little bit of pamper routine. So that's what today is going to look like. I'm going to make a cinnamon latte in the evening. So yeah, it's going to be a really good vibe. So I spent some time in Canva and I created these two wallpapers. This is for my laptop, and I also created one for my phone because Durga Puja is coming, and that's how the laptop one's looking like. Evening guys, I have gotten myself a cup of hot cinnamon latte and I've been sipping on it for some time and have a nice relaxing pampered day because I want to do a face mask. I don't know what's happening to my face and I've been breaking out a lot. I don't know if it's the new face wash. Like, I have used Simple's face wash for a really long time. I usually use the Gentle Cleanse, the full green bottle. I'll insert a picture so you know which one I'm talking about. And I didn't find it in the store this time, so I just bought another one of the Simple's face wash. And ever since I've been using it, I've been breaking out so much. Like, here also I'm breaking out, here also it's a new one that's popping its head a little bit. I'm not sure what's wrong with my skin. I just don't know when these breakouts will stop. Like, here's one, here's one that's healing. There is one that has been here for so long. Like, can you see? Oh my god, this is a big one. Anyways, let's stop ranting about skin and I'm going to finish the coffee. Side note, has anyone been watching the Summer I Turned Pretty season 3? Because I know people are watching it, because I am deep into this rabbit hole of fighting with strangers on Instagram. Not always fighting, like having a discussion with strangers on Instagram and sometimes even on Threads. Like, I don't know who uses Threads. At least I'm not the kind of person who uses it. I just have it to finish watching the small post that comes as an ad in Instagram, and then I close it. But anyways, I'm just so invested in this season, in this series, and I absolutely am angry about the fact that it's only one episode per week, always waiting for Wednesday to come. But then because of this one Wednesday per week, it's created this weird buzz around the series that I don't think was there for seasons 1 and 2. I watched season 1 and 2 because I think one of my friends recommended it. I don't remember why I even watched it. And season 1 and 2 was this very chick flicky teenage love story. Obviously the what is that called, love triangle, the classic trope of two boys one girl, two brothers one girl, like Vampire Diaries, those kind of thing. But then I don't know, this season I've just been extremely invested on what's going to happen, and I'm just like always waiting for Wednesday to come and just watch the new episode and then discuss it on Instagram with strangers. So if you're like me, do let me know if you're watching that series, or if not, it's okay, then you can skip this part and let's go ahead. Going to do a face mask after a long time actually. So I have only one face mask at the moment, which is this Dot & Key Vitamin C one. I have used this for like 2 years I think almost. I am going to use it now again, and after this I will do my usual skincare routine that I always do. I am thinking of doing an under eye patch like after I take this face mask off. Sorry, this lighting is really weird. 1 second. Yeah, so I'm going to do I'm thinking of doing like an under eye patch after I wash off this clay mask. I want to try out different face masks. I've been seeing this lavender color face mask all over the internet. I don't know, I forgot what company that is, but maybe I'll try out something new. But before that I need to switch out my face wash because I'm pretty sure these breakouts are from my new face wash. So I'm going to go back to my old one and order it from Nykaa and not try to find it in any of the stores, because I'm not getting it in the stores, like the nearby stores that's near my house. So let me just put this mask on and I'll come back. Put the face mask on, going to let it sit for like 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off until it feels really dry. And I'm thinking of like reading a book in the meanwhile. So I actually have started reading Intermezzo by Sally Rooney, but the writing is really, I don't know, it's a little bit weird. Maybe I'll get more into it if I start reading it continuously. I've just not been reading it properly. So let me just give that book another go. If not, I am getting into the autumn mood. So I might just start some of the more cozier reads that I have, like Days at the Morisaki bookshop, or I have Before the Coffee Gets Cold. So I might just start reading one of those two and then read Intermezzo at a later time of the year, or maybe next year also. So yeah, I'm just going to read the book a little while. Like two sheet masks, like one for under eye, one like a face sheet mask. So I'm just, both are for hydrating purposes, and because my skin is feeling pretty dry after the clay mask, so I'm just going to quickly put these two on. So I'm done with my extensive pamper routine for the evening, and I'm just going to like lock in and watch YouTube videos and just stay in cozy and nice. And I'm going to finish my thumbs up. It's almost done, it's a little bit left only. And after this I plan on just having my dinner and then go to sleep a little bit early. Tomorrow's Monday, and the work week's coming up, so I need to prepare mentally for that to get into the zone a little bit more. Anyways, I will see you all later in next week's video. I know this video is 1 day late or maybe 2 days late, depending on when I am able to actually upload this. But yeah, next week's vlog will come on Sunday only, like my usual time on 9:30. So do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, more of my face, more of my journey in this life. And I will see you all later, and have a great week. Bye.